Hello children, this is week 13 of our phonics lessons on YouTube, which is absolutely fantastic, which means you've been learning so much. So today our phonics lesson is going to be a recap lesson. Can you remember what recap means? That's right, recap means we learn something again. So what we're going to do in this recap lesson is recap all the sounds we've learnt so far in phase 5. When we recap something, it means we're practicing the same thing again. Because if we practice a digraph loads of times, it means that we can read it better and we can write it better, which means you get better at your phonics. So recap lessons are actually very important. Let's start off by recapping all the sounds using our blue flashcards. First one, or, and the caption action is or, saw you yawn. Girl with the curl. A, play all day. E, eat your peas. And the last one, ow, bears about. We're going to do that again, but this time I'm not going to tell you the sounds and I'm not going to do the caption actions, but I will mime the caption actions just to help you. Back straight, looking great. Now you're ready to learn. Brilliant. I can see you're all looking at me, which is absolutely fantastic. You are ready to learn. Off we go. Brilliant, well done. Our first sound that we are really going to focus on today is Now before we start focusing on I will need you to get a pen and a paper, or if you're at school you might have a whiteboard and a pen handy. Quickly go and get it and pause this screen whilst you do. Brilliant, I can see you're all organised now with a pen and a paper. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some items which have the sound in. So here I have my daughter's skirt. Skirt. What do we notice about the word skirt? That's correct, it's got the sound in. So I would like you on your piece of paper to write skirt, skirt. Here I have a shirt. What sounds can we hear in shirt? Shirt. Shirt. Have a go at writing that down. Here I have a girl. It's a dolly and she is a girl. 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 Have a go at writing that down. Let's check our answers together. The first word that I asked you guys to write was skirt. Let's have a look. It's a kicking k. That's our digraph. Skirt. The next one I asked you to write was shirt. Very similar to skirt. Shirt. And you can see there's two digraphs there. sh, and t, a phoneme, grapheme by itself. And the last one is girl. G, girl. Have a look, check that with your answers. If they're correct, you can give them a big tick. If they look a little bit different, don't worry, just change them and then give them a big tick. We're going to move on now and focus on 2 more digraphs. We're going to focus and recap A, and we're going to focus and recap OR. Now the Tricky Troll has left us a pile of A and OR words, but the Tricky Troll has mixed them all up and he's put a trick word in there. That trick word does not have the phase 5 or A digraph in there. He is a very tricky troll and he's trying to make our lives very tricky. Do you think you can help me sort these words out into 2 columns? I want to make a OR column and a column. Please, can you help me? Okay, so here are our columns. This is our A column and this is our OR column. This is our first word that the Tricky Troll has left us in our pile. Let's read it together. L, or, n. Lawn. It's got the OR sound in the middle. I'll pop it in the OR column. Next word. A, pay. I pay for my food. I'll put it in the A column because it's got the A digraph in. A, say. I say all my manners. Say. So we've got A, pay, say. Oh, what do those 2 words do? Correct. They rhyme because they end with the same sound. Next word. Yawn. Yawn. That has the OR digraph in. I'll pop it in the OR column. And if you notice, these ones are both in the middle of a word. Next one. Play. 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 That must go in our A column. Next word. Born. Born. What do you notice about this word? It has the OR sound in, but does it match the phase 5 OR sound we're focusing on today? No, it doesn't. That must be the word that the Tricky Troll put in. Oh, he was trying to trick us because they both have the OR sound, but they are spelt differently. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm not going to put it in any column because it doesn't belong in the A or the OR column. And the last one, has a capital letter at the start. That means it must be someone's name. Let's have a go at reading this word or name. Dawn. Dawn. Dawn has the correct phase 5 OR sound in. Well done. Thanks everyone. You've helped me sort the words. Super, you're doing really well at recapping these phase 5 sounds. We've got 2 more to go. This is the second to last sound we're going to recap. Ow. And what we're going to do is we're going to read some ow words together. Out. 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 Next word. Out. Pout. Show me your best pout. And the last one, remember, sometimes we have a silent, which means not even a single noise, E on the end of a word. I haven't added a sound button to this because this E or doesn't make a sound. Okay, let's try reading this together. Mouse, mouse. And that tricky troll puts that E on the end just to trick us. But luckily, he didn't. Mouse, mouse. Now, what I'd like you guys to do is have a go at writing those words down. Out, pout, and mouse. And remember to add the silent E on the end of mouse. Have a go at writing them now, please. Remember, when I give you a challenge, make sure you pause the screen so I stop and it gives you time to write. Super stuff, everyone. You have had really good focus today. The last sound we're going to recap is E. Let's read some E words together. E. See. This is the way it's spelt, as in sea, like the seaside. Ooh, next one. E. P. And this one I'm going to hold up to the camera, and I'd like you guys to have a go at reading it yourselves first in your head, and then we'll say it out loud together. Each. Peach. Very similar to P. And you just see, just by adding the ch sound on the end, it changes the word completely. We have P and peach. Super. I'd like you to do the same again. Now I'd like you to write those words down. C, P, and peach. Remember to pause. What a fantastic recap lesson. I know we recapped lots of sounds and I gave you lots and lots of different activities. You've done so well to keep your focus, and you've done so well to recap a sound because you're learning the sound again. It's not always the most exciting lesson, but it's definitely a very exciting lesson to make your brain bigger and better. I will see you all soon for our next phonics lesson. Stay safe. Goodbye.